Hello guys, welcome back. So today we will see router configuration of static and dynamic. Cisco Packet Tracer. Then so this is the mesh topology, star topology, all the topology. If you didn't see the video of how to build topology on Cisco Packet Tracer, then you can check out Cisco Packet Tracer playlist on my channel. So first of all, we need two router for that. So we will create this type of routing design. So you can see that first of all we will say uh, static routing. So for that we need here we will take two router. Then we need switch for that. So simply we just create switch. Then we need PC. You can add PC as per your requirement, or here I can just simply take 3 PC. You can add infinite PC, I guess. So I will just take 3 PC here like this. Now you have to just simply connect this PC to this switch. Like this. Then this switch to this PC. So now you can just connect switch to the router. You can create a 3 router type design also, like this to this. That type we will see after that. Uh, Now you have to configure all the PC's IP. So just simply go to one PC desktop IP configuration, then just select your IP. For that, you can see on the picture, we will give here one series, then we will give here two series. You can see that. Likewise, that so we just here we give one nine. So after connecting to the router to switch and switch to PC, now we have to configure PC. So we have to go to PC, then go to IP configuration, then just simply go to desktop IP configuration, then simply you can here I will give 1.2 because as per the picture you can see we will give 1.1 to the main router, then we will it's a default gateway IP, then we will start with 234 as you can see on the picture. Then we will here I will give 3. Okay, now I need to also set here default gateway, so it's a 1.1. I will set here to IP configuration. Don't forget to set default gateway, otherwise packet can't transmit to. So go to desktop IP configuration, then here we will just provide this 4, and here are the default. Then just go to the router, go to configuration, then just go on the so here are the you can see you can't see serial IO for the connection between this two router. So you need to first of go to the router, then you have to this here you have to zoom in, you have to turn off this switch, then take this circuit and put it here, and then after turn on it will take some time So you can say this like that. So you just give some time. You have to do same with this router also. Switch off the light, then put it here and then switch on. So after some time you will see this type of the works. Now you can say here are the serial. So first of all go to the Giga Ethernet, then put here your default IP, and as well as when you click on this and click enter, the subnet mask will automatically get it here. So now turn on this, then go to serial IO. Uh, we will give here 10.0 10.10.0.2 and go to click and the click to get automatic subnet mask, and now close it. We will do same here. Go to configuration, go to serial IO, then we will configure this as a 10.10.0.3. Click and IP address. We will need here 2.1. Then don't forget to on this. If you forget, then it's also effect. So don't forget to on this. So now configure this size PC. Uh, IP configuration. Now we will just turn 2.2 here, and its default gateway is 2.1. Simply copy this for the other PC. Desktop IP configuration, then just put it here 2.3 and default. Go to IP, put it here as a 4 and default. So now you need to automatic connection for the connecting to router. You just simply create. Now we can say this is the connected. Now we will say static and dynamic routing. So first of all static routing. So for that you need to go to router. Then you can say here static, and this one RIP is for the dynamic. So we will go for static. So you have to put other router details here. So for that you need to give 0 here. It's a generate, I guess. So here are the 2.5.255.255.0, and then next op means 10.10.0.3. You have to just add this, and so this is the IP of, you can say in this picture. This is the 192.169.2.0. This IP is the for this side router, and for this side router you need to put all the details in this router so that they can connect to each other via static. So just simply close and do this same as well with this one. Go to static, 1.0.255.0, then we have a 10.10.0.1. I guess we are after 2. So now static routing is done. So now you can check via passing packet from PC 17 to PC 20. So you can see it's failed, showing failed. Now we can check this PC19 to PC20. Now you can check it successfully transmit PC19 to PC20. So this is how you can do uh, static routing. Now we will see how you can do is a dynamic routing. So you need to set this first of all, then just remove here. We can first remove static from the both side. Now we will say dynamic routing. So just go to router, then select RIP. Here we have to add all the details we know. For example, this router details and this router details as well. So we just need to add 192.168.1.0, 10.10. So as you know, we added all the details. This router, go to RIP, then you have to add here also. So as you can see, we have configured dynamic routing now. Now we have to check the packet is transmitting from PC 910 to PC 12. So it's failed. We will check again PC 910 to PC 22. So you can see this is successfully transferred to PC 19 to PC 12. So this is how you can do dynamic and static routing. So if you need to know more practical on Cisco Packet Tracer, then you can check my playlist on my channel.